To this video in which we will take a look at a Notion alternative, and it's a great way to keep track of all the things that you have to do at your work, and you can convert notes immediately in task, projects, web page, strategy documents, and even OKRs. And it helps you to make sure that you are on track and have a clear goal of what needs to happen next. And I think a really unique feature is that you can also talk to the system or use voice memos to generate these notes. And from there you can convert them in different formats. It's also possible to automate certain tasks, so your notes are always in sync with what needs to happen. For example, you can add a sprint board. You can also use it for your CRM and so on. So there's quite a lot of overlap with Notion. Obviously, they also have AI components and you can use tags, but I think mainly the voice notes is what makes this stand out. They also have local apps, and let's take a quick look at the pricing. So it's also very affordable with a 14-day free trial, and after that it's $8 if you want to upgrade and $14 for the pro version. So it's very affordable. So I think it's a cool alternative to Notion if you really enjoy speaking or using voice memos and going from there. I think it also offers some unique features in terms of being able to convert notes to several useful views that allow you to manage your projects more easily. So that was a quick look at Tana. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead. Thank you.